In 2026, the world of agricultural power took a monumental leap forward as Case IH unveiled its reimagined giant, the Case IH Quadtrac, a machine that doesn't just redefine field performance, but reshapes the entire concept of modern farming efficiency. Standing tall and commanding attention in its signature red armor, the 2026 Case IH Quadtrac isn't just a tractor. It's an engineering statement. Every line, every curve, every bolt of this massive beast is built with one purpose: unstoppable performance under the harshest conditions on Earth. As you approach it for the first time, the Quadtrac feels less like a farm vehicle and more like a futuristic tank designed for precision agriculture. The chassis stands wide and grounded, supported by 4 independent track systems, each delivering unmatched traction and power distribution. Whether it's deep mud, loose sand, or frozen terrain, the Quadtrac moves with stability and authority, almost gliding across surfaces that would stop traditional, wheeled tractors in their tracks. The signature track system is what sets this tractor apart from everything else. Instead of conventional wheels, the Quadtrac uses 4 individually driven tracks, giving it the kind of traction and flotation that can handle anything from high-resistance soil to massive load pulling. The 2026 model refines this legendary system further with improved suspension geometry, smarter hydraulic balancing, and redesigned drive sprockets that reduce friction and enhance smoothness at higher speeds. Under the massive hood rests the heart of the beast, a next-generation FPT cursor, 13 engine that roars with power, pushing past 600 horsepower in the top variant. The torque delivery is immediate, smooth, and commanding. Every rev feels like controlled aggression, tuned perfectly for heavy-duty performance. The new electronically managed fuel injection system improves fuel efficiency and emissions, meeting the latest environmental standards without compromising output. Step inside the cabin, and you're instantly transported into a world of luxury and precision. The 2026 Case IH Quadtrac cabin feels like a high-end cockpit, spacious, climate-controlled, and loaded with intelligent systems that assist the operator in every task. The ergonomic seat is air-suspended, wrapped in premium leather, and positioned to give perfect visibility across all angles. The armrest console integrates all major controls: transmission, hydraulics, GPS guidance, and performance data, with touchscreen precision. The display interface, redesigned for 2026, is larger, clearer, and fully customizable. Case IH's AFS Connect technology takes center stage here, allowing operators to manage field maps, monitor machine performance, and sync real-time data directly with farm management software. This means the tractor doesn't just work harder, it works smarter. Farmers can plan, track, and optimize every inch of land from inside the cabin or remotely through connected devices. The transmission system, an advanced 16-speed power drive, delivers seamless gear shifts under load, keeping the tractor in perfect balance between power and fuel economy. The engine and transmission communicate through adaptive load sensors, ensuring that power is distributed precisely where it's needed. Whether pulling a massive cultivator or climbing a steep gradient, the Quadtrac's responsiveness is breathtaking. The 2026 update also introduces an enhanced cooling system that keeps temperatures stable even under long, high-torque operations. Airflow optimization and improved radiator placement reduce the risk of overheating, ensuring reliability during marathon field sessions. The hydraulic output has been boosted, providing exceptional lifting power and smoother control for heavy implements. Outside, the design language of the Case IH Quadtrac has evolved. The body panels are sharper and more aerodynamic, not just for aesthetics, but for improved airflow and engine cooling. The LED lighting system has been redesigned for 360-degree illumination, transforming nighttime fieldwork into a daylight-like experience. Each light is strategically placed to minimize shadow zones and provide full visibility across the working area. In motion, The Quadtrac is surprisingly graceful for its size. Despite weighing several tons, the steering is incredibly precise, aided by the active steer technology that allows tighter turning radii. The reduced soil compaction, a long-standing advantage of the Quadtrac, means that even when this giant moves across delicate soil, it leaves minimal footprint, protecting long-term yield potential. The attention to detail is what truly sets the 2026 Case IH Quadtrac apart. Every control, every surface, and every feature has been refined to provide the operator with the ultimate experience in comfort, control, and confidence. The noise insulation is so effective that even at full throttle, the cabin remains whisper quiet. The integrated camera system gives a complete view around the tractor, enhancing both safety and maneuverability. When you see it in the field, the presence of the Quadtrac is almost cinematic, a symphony of power and precision unfolding across endless acres. It's not just a tractor doing its job, it's a machine rewriting the standards of agricultural performance. Farmers who operate this model often describe it not as equipment, but as a trusted partner, one that can face unpredictable weather, uneven terrains, and heavy workloads without hesitation. Case IH has also emphasized sustainability in the 2026 Quadtrac. The improved engine design reduces fuel consumption, while the optimized hydraulic systems lower energy losses. Maintenance intervals have been extended, and new diagnostic tools make servicing quicker and easier, keeping downtime to an absolute minimum. From its commanding stance to its cutting-edge technology, every aspect of the 2026 Case IH Quadtrac tells the story of progress. An entretien, progress that fuses strength with intelligence and durability with luxury. It's a tractor that represents not just evolution, but revolution in modern farming. For those who have always seen farming as both an art and a science, the Case IH Quadtrac stands as the masterpiece, a blend of innovation, reliability, and raw mechanical beauty. It's a reminder that the future of agriculture isn't about working harder, but working smarter, with machines that understand the land as deeply as the people who cultivate it. So whether it's taming wide-open fields, pulling massive equipment, or leading the next generation of smart farming, the 2026 Case IH Quadtrac doesn't just do the job, it dominates it, a living symbol of precision, power, and purpose. Built for those who don't settle for ordinary, because farming the future demands extraordinary.